The mystery of the lost key. Tom is a curious boy. He loves adventures. One day, he finds an old key in his backyard. The key is rusty and big. He holds it in his hand and wonders. What does this key open? He runs to his best friend Sarah. Look! I found this old key. Do you think it opens something special? He asks. Sarah looks at the key and smiles. Maybe it opens a treasure chest. Let's find out. Tom and Sarah decide to search for the lock. They check Tom's house first. They try the key on every door, but it does not fit. Then, they go to the old shed. The shed is dusty and full of old things. They find a small wooden box, but it is not locked. This key does not fit here either, says Tom. They think for a moment. Maybe the key belongs to the old house at the end of the street, says Sarah. The old house is big and empty. People say it has been locked for many years. Some say it is haunted, but Tom and Sarah are brave. They walk to the house and push the gate open. The gate makes a loud creaking sound. The garden is full of tall grass and broken statues. They reach the front door. Tom takes the key and puts it in the lock. It does not fit. He sighs. Maybe this key is useless. Sarah shakes her head. Let's check the backyard. They walk around the house. In the backyard, they see an old well. The well has a small wooden door. Tom's heart beats fast. Maybe the key is for this. He puts the key in the lock and turns it. Click! The lock opens. Tom and Sarah look inside the well. There is a rope and a bucket. They pull up the bucket. Inside, they find a small metal box. A treasure! Shouts Sarah. Tom opens the box carefully. Inside, there is an old map and a letter. The letter says, "To the one who finds this, follow the map to discover the secret of this town." Tom and Sarah look at each other with excitement. A real adventure, says Tom. They follow the map. It takes them through the park, past the river, and into the forest. After walking for a long time, they find a big oak tree. The map shows a mark near the roots. Tom and Sarah start digging. Soon, they hit something hard. They pull out a wooden chest. The chest is locked. Maybe our key will work here, says Sarah. Tom puts the key in the lock and turns it. Click! The chest opens. Inside, they find gold coins, old photographs, and a diary. The diary tells the story of a man who lived in the town many years ago. He hid the treasure so that someone brave and smart could find it one day. Tom and Sarah feel proud. They have solved the mystery of the lost key. They take the diary to the town's museum so everyone can learn the story. The gold coins help build a new playground in the park, but the adventure is not over. As they look through the diary, they find another clue. It mentions a hidden room in the old house at the end of the street. Their eyes widen. Another mystery! Tom exclaims. The next day, they go back to the old house. They search every room carefully. The house is dusty, with cobwebs in the corners. The wooden floor creaks under their feet. They tap on the walls, hoping to find something. After a while, Sarah notices a strange pattern on the wallpaper. She pushes it, and a small door opens. Behind the door is a narrow staircase leading down. Tom and Sarah take out their flashlights and slowly walk down. The air is cold, and it smells like old books. At the bottom of the stairs, they find a secret room filled with shelves of books, paintings, and strange objects. Sarah picks up an old book. These books are very old. She says. Tom finds a dusty painting of a man. This must be the man from the diary. He says. They explore the room carefully. On one of the tables, they find another box. But this time, there is no lock. Inside, they find another letter. It says, "You have found my secret room. This is my greatest treasure knowledge. If you love adventure, keep searching, and you will always find something new." Tom and Sarah smile. They know that this is just the beginning of many adventures. They decide to clean the secret room and tell the town about it. Soon, the old house is no longer empty. People come to see the hidden treasures. The town decides to turn it into a museum so everyone can learn about the past. Tom and Sarah feel proud. They started with a simple key and ended with an unforgettable adventure. And deep inside, they know that more mysteries are waiting for them in the future.